Hi, everyone. Today you'll hear how Jake felt happy, then tired, then stressed, then excited, then embarrassed. All before lunch.
It was an emotional roller coaster, okay? First I was happy, then I spilled my coffee, then I missed the bus, then I waved at a stranger who was actually waving at the lady next to me.
That is quite a roller coaster. But let's get to it. Welcome to Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Today, we're learning simple English for feelings and emotions. Happy, tired, stressed, excited, and embarrassed.
You'll learn how to describe how you feel, ask others about their feelings, and respond naturally.
Even if you're me? I mean, respond naturally is something I don't even know how to do.
Well, maybe everyone except you. You can say, I feel happy when something nice happens.
Or, I'm tired if you didn't sleep well.
You can say, I'm stressed if you're worried about your job.
And, I'm embarrassed if you make a mistake in public.
If things are going really well, you can say, I'm excited.
I get excited when my shoe actually stays tied all day.
I'm not sure that's worth getting excited about. And has it ever happened?
Not yet. I'm still working on it.
To ask someone about their feelings, you can say, how do you feel?
Or, how's your day going?
Or, what's wrong? If someone looks upset.
And if someone looks excited, you can say, did something good happen?
Or, why do you look so happy?
Because, clearly, I'm having a good hair day.
Oh, brother. If someone says they're tired, you can say, you should rest.
If someone is stressed, you can say, take a deep breath.
If someone is excited, you can say, that's great.
And if someone is embarrassed, you can say, it's okay, don't worry.
Especially if they feel like a goofball after waving at a total stranger.
Very funny.
Here are 5 useful words from today. Happy,
You feel good.
tired,
You need rest.
stressed,
You feel pressured or worried.
excited,
You feel happy and full of energy.
embarrassed.
You feel uncomfortable because you made a mistake. But if you feel embarrassed, just pretend it didn't happen.
That never works. Repeat after me. I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm stressed.
I'm stressed.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm embarrassed.
I'm embarrassed.
Great job! It's sounding really natural.
Yeah, especially the part where I said, I'm embarrassed.